If you need to reset your two-factor authentication for your target account, follow these steps to regain access. This process will guide you through the necessary actions to secure your account. Step 1. Visit the Target website. Go to the official Target website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the option labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication in the account menu. Step 3. Select Reset Two-Factor Authentication. In the Security settings, find the option to reset or manage your two-factor authentication. Click on this option to initiate the reset process. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may be required to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via email or SMS. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Step 5. Set up new two-factor authentication. After verification, you will have the option to set up a new two-factor authentication method. Choose your preferred method like an authenticator app or SMS and follow the instructions to complete the setup. Once you have completed these steps, your two-factor authentication will be reset and you can enjoy enhanced security for your target account.